How to fix Airbnb cannot message host. To fix messaging failures on Airbnb, ensure your identity verification is fully completed and that you're not attempting to send restricted contact information like phone numbers or links. If a system glitch blocks communication, clearing your application's data or switching to an incognito browser will restore the chat function. So what you want to do is head backwards to your homepage and open the app drawer. From here, locate the Airbnb application icon. Once you find it, long press it, then access the app info of Airbnb. Scroll downwards until you find the storage option, then proceed to clear the cache to remove any unwanted and corrupted files within the Airbnb. Now proceed to relaunch the application and also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, simply switch to mobile network. And this is how you can fix Airbnb if you cannot message a host. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.